All right, guys. Trump just tweeted, by the way. No, he just tweeted a link. All right. So we have it's Thursday. It is Thursday. We have news at 8:30 only. Yeah. So nothing after 9:30. Market's about to open in 2 minutes, so it'll be quick. If you go into the daily, it's looking like a green day. We're reaching all-time highs. If you go into the 4 hour, now we can see this big move. This big move was what can we do? Because we inverse this gap, and this gap on a 4 hour, so could be bullish. And I'm thinking, you know what? It could be bullish. You can see this order block, and we did react off of it, go in it and went out. So I'm gonna consider the trend as bullish. So draw on liquidity. So like target liquidity is all time highs. I mean, it could go up, but there's something you should consider. So we do have this 1 hour for value gap, bearish for value gap. So I'm wondering what's gonna happen. So I did right for 1 hour for value gap low and high. We're in it right now, so I'm wondering if we're gonna respect it and go down. There's 1 hour for value gap right here that we could go into, draw liquidity, who knows. If you go into the 15 minute, we can see this 15 minute, 1 minute to opening. 15 minute got respected, tested, respected, but we are in between for value gap. So we have this 15 minute for value gap right here, and it's respected, test, respected. So we can see what happens. And I'm gonna explain what I briefly want to happen. So yeah, that's what's happening. So in the 15 minute, these two would be between. So let's see what's gonna get disrespected first. We are in between age highs and lows, so I'm considering this just consolidation. We hit a high, boom, go down, or we hit a low and then go up. So yeah, we're gonna see what happens. But 20 seconds. But what I do want to happen is we hit either these two highs or maybe even all-time highs. But I honestly don't think we will. I honestly think we're gonna go down and disrespect that bullish fair value gap. What did I delete? Nothing. Okay. Can I delete this? Boom, boom, boom. And guys, chat. We actually have an SMT. Boom, a bearish SMT. So we could go straight down. It looks like we're going straight down. So since we're going straight down, um, this low, this low, this low, all of these lows, like all these lows. And so what I'm waiting for is to catch these lows, go up high, and see what happens. We do have a little bit of a 15-minute fair value gap right here. Let's see. I wonder if we're gonna respect it. There we go. Actually, let's move it 30 right there. So I wonder if we're gonna respect it. 15-minute fair value gap. Boom. Green. Green. There we go. It is a bit cold in my room. So it looks like we're respecting that 15 minute. Looks like we're like, yeah, looks like we're respecting this 15 minute right here, and I'm probably gonna disrespect this one. So yeah, I just knew it was gonna go down, but I did want it to go up so we can quickly get an inverse or a breaker structure and then a retest and then go for the shorts because shorts are like guaranteed right now. Shorts are like guaranteed. It's really hard to go for the longs right now, but like that's my strategy. My strategy is like we go down, catch some liquidity, and then we target the upside. And the thing about my strategy is, oh no, the thing about my strategy is like if I see it inverse, yeah, but I need to see an equilibrium retest. So if I don't see that equilibrium retest, I missed the trade, and who knows, I probably would have got saved by the trade, and it would have continued going down. So that's what I like about that's what I like about my strategy. And today, since we're going down, we could still go up, honestly. Just because we have all these draws on liquidity right here, doesn't necessarily mean we can. Doesn't necessarily mean we can't go up. We can still go up, but it's way better to target shorts. I'm gonna be honest. So if you go into the 1 minute, wow, we're just heading down and down and down. So if this continue to go down, 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 that's fine. You know, we're gonna see what happens. Let's put this on the 45. Yeah. So that's my quick brief analysis. Like it's obvious that we're gonna go down. Like this crazy SMT right now. Look at that, chat. Come on. Actually, I want to note that too. Boom, boom. I like drawing SMTs because I don't see SMTs most of the time, and I like SMTs. SMTs are so good for some reason. I don't know why. I personally like them. Oh my gosh, it is cold. But yeah, just real quick, like yeah, like I might not even look for an inverse. Like what I mean by that, if an inverse happens, I want to see a break of structure instead. Like if there's an inverse happens, I'm not gonna look for the equilibrium. I'm gonna look for the equilibrium after a break of structure happens because, and I say that because like shorts are in play. Shorts are definitely in play. But no, I'm gonna look for the inverse actually too. Yeah, so yeah, shorts are in play, and we gotta look out for volume, and yeah. So if you look into the 1 minute real quick, we did form a green candle. Look, who knows? Who knows? We're gonna disrespect this 15 minute. Who knows? Who knows? It's only until 9:45. If a candle forms below at 9:45 below the fair value gap, then we disrespect it. But if it formed above, then we didn't respect. That we did respect it. We do have this small fair value gap right here, and it's going down on ES is going down too. Real quick. Let's just see the 15 minute strategy. A15. I'm just wondering. Going to the 1 minute. Who knows? It could go up. So if this could go up to this 15 minute, then we could see it go up on NQ as well. And look at that. So yeah, oh, we hit this low, these two lows, like this low. Yeah, good. If it starts reversing going up, then I'm definitely gonna look for those longs. If it hits these two, then yeah, it's even greater. If it wants to go all the way come down here, hey, patience pays, chat. Patience pays. All right, let's remember that. So yeah, that's enough of me yapping. I've been yapping like for like 7 minutes, I think, straight. No, 3, 4, yeah, about 7 minutes. So I'll get back when something happens or when I take the trade. All right, I'm in for the long. I'm gonna explain it briefly, but let's quickly. This is like low key, like crazy trades right now. Crazy trades. So you can see it did not. Sadly, it did not form an order. Oh, like low key exactly on it. But I'm gonna explain the trade real quick. Oh, like this is a crazy. Wow. The break even is gonna have to be right here, and that's low key 36 points. Oh, do we have faith in the trade? Okay. Let me stop being an idiot. Stop. On 1650. 1650. Wow. This break even is looking crazy. Oh, 125. Oh, 125. Limit? Yeah. Let me put 3 on 2950. Perfect. Limit. No, just 3. Okay, so we did form a candle above. That's good. We are going down, but I'm gonna explain the trade real quick. So we had like crazy opportunity looking here and here. Inverse. I'm just really looking. Oh my gosh, no way. Chat? Yo, I'm not gonna lie. Hold up. No. Hold up. Hold up. Netanyahu. Oh. No.
Stop filled.
Fuck. Easy 500 down the bag, bro. Damn. I got caught in the trade. I got caught. I'm reasonable loss. I listened to my strategy. I'll break it down real quick. I'll break it down real quick. You can see like even like wait, hold on. No. Yeah, CS diet. Yeah, formed above CS diet. So like, frick. I think this was gonna be a problem. Like my stop loss being like only 40 points, and we're moving like crazy. I mean, yeah, we was like, if we going like, yeah, I know we was going like going down, chat. Like, look at this. We're just going down and down and down. But I did like how, right? You can see we broke above point of control. So I thought we was like, gonna do something. If this goes up, I really want to re-enter, but I'm gonna stop myself. I'm actually gonna stop myself. So crazy loss right now. Well, let me stop chatting. Let me stop being a baby. It is what it is. Is what it is. You know. But real quick, so we tap Age of Lows, beautiful. I'm like, okay, we didn't tap it on ES, so I was a bit happy right there, you know. So I was like, you know, it's good. We tap, look at this. Tap Age of Lows brings some good buys. So I honestly thought we was gonna continue it up. Eh, reasonable loss. It formed outside the equilibrium, so took it, tap equilibrium, was being patient, went into equilibrium. Like, honestly, this trade couldn't really do anything about it. Like I listened to my strategy. I do think the break even being all the way up there, that's 30 points, chat. Um, yeah, that was wow. Look at that. I got immediately cooked. That's whatever. Break even being like 38 points. If it's like more than 35, so it has to be in 36. But like, if it's more than like 30, 35 points, I'm like, wow, that was a high break even. But if I believe in a trade, and I was believing in a trade, because again, point of control was like, can I freaking draw? Don't annoy me right now. I know I was gonna have a red day. Darn it. I knew I was gonna have a red day today, bro. Something just, I couldn't, like, number one, I'm gonna complain a little bit, but number one, my gym membership is gone for some reason. It's like gone. I don't even know what happened. So if I get charged for tomorrow, I'm gonna be so pissed off because my gym membership is gone, and you tell me I'm getting charged and I can't, and I'm trying to go to the gym today, and it's just gone. Like, go kill yourself. Anyways, point of control was right there. It went above point of control, so you know what? I was like, oh, like you can see, like we kind of respected point of control right here. Went down, broke it. I thought he was gonna just go up above more. It does. Everything doesn't go according to plan. It looks like I would get cooked regardless. Even if I wanted to put stop loss right here, and go on like only 3 micros, only two, 3 or 4, then I would have got cooked because I think I would have put it right here. I mean, it would have been smarter and better to put it right here, but we'll see if we get cooked right there too. Uh Reasonable loss, chat. I'm not gonna cry about it. Look and see, like, Age of Lows are tap right here. Oh wow. No, it did. CISD still was broken right there. I think a lot of people got cooked here. Like, longs, is it really the play when this is going down? Kinda, yeah. You know why? Because I do reversal trading and it just fit my strategy. My strategy isn't 100%. This was a reasonable loss. This was a good loss because I listened to every bit of my strategy so badly that I want to enter in, like right here, because it didn't tap my equilibrium. I was like, oh come on, I know this is gonna be green. I think I was just forcing, but I wasn't really forcing because again I did listen to my strategy. So everything that happened today, chat, reasonable loss, reasonable loss. It's a sucky loss, still a loss, but reasonable. And you know what? I'm gonna wrap it up for today. Wrap it up. Sucky loss, but you know what? I'm gonna stop yapping. I'm been yapping for like what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6, 7 minutes. Kill yourself. Yeah. I think the trade was good. We even had a break of structure right here. Like, a better break of structure would have been right here, but it's fine. It's fine. Let's try to minimize this. Oh, darn. Damn. I feel so awful right now. It's low-key a bad day, but we're gonna be here tomorrow for see if we can get it back. Revenge trade. I'm gonna take a short right now. Stop. Oh.
Order rejected.
Oh. That was a joke. But I don't know why I got. Oh, I think it's because of loss limit. Okay, that's fine. Anyways, GG's chat. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.